In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade perps on Axiom. So the first thing you need is an Axiom Pro account, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now, once you have your Axiom Pro account, if you want to start trading perps or perpetuals, you want to go to perpetuals over here at the very top. And from here you can then start trading them. However, as you can see, the only balance you can have on Axiom wallet is Solana. So first you will have to convert Solana into USDC, and the way you can do this is you click deposit and then convert up here, and you want to select how much Solana you would like to convert into USDC, and once you click how much, it's gonna attempt to get a quote, and after a few seconds you'll be able to confirm it within 15 seconds and swap your Solana for USDT. USDC, I'm sorry. So you want to go out here then, and over here you can then start basically just trading perps. So you have to first select over here on the left which one you want. So is it Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, Cardano, whatever it may be. And once you've selected, you can select if you want the market or the limit, if you want the long or the short, and you can select your leverage over here by sliding left or right. You can also set the take profit or stop loss if you would like that, and when you have funds, you can just start buying and selling. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.